To the children, we're going to discuss through this video the second part of this when people rebel. 1857 after the continuation, a mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. A mutiny becomes a popular rebellion. How a small mutiny, a small rebellion, that means reach into the very big one. Mutiny means when soldiers as a group disobey their officers. When soldiers as a group disobey their officers of the army is called Sipahi mutiny. A small thing among that army only, some number of people are disobeyed their officer order. That is called mutiny. It became a big rebellion. How? In the English East India Company administration, 100 years from 1757 to till 1857, the rules, but they followed the different repressive methods toward the Indian people. So in generally, though that rebellion or that struggle or revolt mostly common between the rulers and the ruled. The struggle between the rulers and ruled is common. Why? Because the company administration more repressive toward the Indian people. That is why in all section of the people, previously we discussed peasants, soldiers, jamindars, native rulers, or the nawabs, everybody suffered under English East India Company administration. Because of that unhappy of 100 years, they are waiting for an opportunity to revolt against the British people. But whatever that large number of the people are, strongly believe, their common enemy is the British people. Whenever get an opportunity, they wanted to fight against the British people. But number of times that such kind of situation came. But what is very, very essential thing is to organize such a large number of the people whenever revolt against the British, how to organize. That is the most important thing, organizing themselves and communicate one people to another people, one area group to another area group. Organize, communicate and take initiative. Who will take initiative to start the movement to rebellion against the British India? That is mightiest. And another important, that had confidence. These four things are very, very essential. Organize, communicate, initiate, and confidence is very, very important things is required for such a kind of condition for the rebellion. How people will get such a kind of things? Such a kind of the things is originated in the northern India around the year 1857. In the year 1857, in the North India, such a kind of situation is held. The people among them, they had a confidence. They take that initiate. They can communicate among the people. They have an organizing capability to lead the movement against the British people. Such a kind of conditions are held in 1857 in North India, especially Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Mostly the Uttar Pradesh, more number of Muslims are living at the time. In such conditions that prevailed in North India. So first this began in that different Sipai regiments. Whatever the unhappiness started in one regiment, they spread to the news to communicate to another regiment. Those people also revolt. In similar, this ideas is spread to one regiment to another regiment, move from one place to another place. That is first that began in that Meerut in Delhi, near to the Delhi, nearly 36 Meerut, 36 miles away from that Delhi. This is what the condition is held in the Meerut, that is spread to the Delhi and other important places in the North India. The most of this from Meerut to Delhi we can see. Meerut to Delhi. What the things is spread? In generally before 1857 May, small incidents held in such a kind of regiments like that in the Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. On 29th March, on 29th March 1857, such a kind of incident held in the Meerut regiment. When that officers, British officer compelled, forced to the Indian soldier to use new cartridges like the Enfield rifles, which was suspected smeared by the fat of cow and pig. When the military regiment officer, the commander is forced or compelled to the Indian soldier to use this, the Indian soldiers are rejected. And the result of that is not obey the ruler, not obey the order of that British officer. Two important soldiers like that Mangal Pandey and Ishwar Pandey, these two people, Ishwar Pandey, these two people are given death sentence. These people are hanged on 8th April. They tried and given that hang on 8th April 1857 by the way that military officer, the British officer Bagh. Who is that person? Is Bagh, military commander. Bagh was when that Mangal Pandey and Ishwar Pandey was killed by Bagh. These two are killed. The Bagh, military officer, these people are given the punishment, death sentence on 8th April 1857. Later on, similar kind of, in the Meerut region only, some other, and after some days, on 9th May, in the Meerut only, some similar kind of forced that British officers to use new cartridges, to denied nearly 85 Sipais are dismissed from their post and given 10 years of death, 10 years of imprisonment only for the denial of his officer. All these people are imprisoned. When the news is reached to the side, regiments, those large number of the people are went on 10th May 1857. Large number of these Sipais, different regiments, they led a movement against the British people, that is Sipai Mutiny, rebellion. They moved and reached where these people are arrested. They went the particular place, and all the people who are protecting in the jail, the British officers killed and took that arms and ammunition from that particular jail and released all these 85 soldiers from the imprisonment. And after that, the same night, they are started from Meerut to Delhi all through the night, number of regiment people are moved from Meerut to Delhi. When the news is reached to the Delhi regiment people also started rebellion against the British people. Number of military officers, British officers killed and took that arms and whatever the weapons and the ammunition from the British, they collected and commonly, unitedly, they declared war on Firangis. They declared war on Firangis. Who are the Firangis? Means these are the people, are the Europeans. Firangis means the British people. At the time they considered as the foreigners. They declared war on Firangis. All these people are reached to the Delhi where that Indian Mughal emperor resides in the Red Fort. On the 11th May 1857, all these thousands of the people are reached and surrounded the Red Fort. Who are that reside that British officers killed? Who are the British people are there? All these people are killed and they are demanding to meet that Bahadur Shah. The rebellious people know very well. They wanted to ask from the British people, from India, from Delhi, but who will rule the country? Required one administrator. They are answered, Bahadur Shah Jafar became the king of or emperor of the India. Red Fort, he was in that palace. Sipais are demanded to meet him, but Bahadur Shah Jafar is not willing to meet the rebellion. Why? Because he knows very well that they don't want to oppose the mightiest army in the world, the British people are. So they don't want to oppose. But even though that, Sipais are persisted to him to meet. And finally, Bahadur Shah Jafar meets the common people, that the Sipais, and announced as a emperor of Delhi. After that, Bahadur Shah Jafar wrote a letters to different kinds of people, the regiments, whatever the cantonments or the different Nawabs, Jamindars. He wrote a letter to participate in the behalf of that Indian soldiers to against the British people. When he wrote the letter to all these old Nawabs and Jamindars, those people also felt very happy. During the Mughal Empire, Mughal administration, those people felt very happy administration they done. Once the British people came, they took their authority. These people are expected, once again if the Mughal Empire will come back, they would enjoy their liberty. Those people rule under the Mughal administration in their independent manner. They are expected the authority. So, large number of people are participated. British people are feared. With a small incident, what they introduce new cartridges, it may die. The not long lasted, that is incident. But what Bahadur Shah Jafar wrote a letter to different Nawabs and chiefs, that is completely given the boost up to the Indian soldiers. Large number of the people are participated in the rebellion movement. It spread more, it became a very big movement due to the blessing of or that initiative of Bahadur Shah Jafar. So, then common people took that, even the common people also took an initiate after the Bahadur Shahs participated in the rebellion movement. We will continue the next video, the further one that.